I have Shreya Chatterjee joining us from outside Tihar Central Prison. Amit Bharadwaj is live at the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. Srishti Ojha joins us from the Rouse Avenue Court. We also have Shubh Malhotra of the Aam Aadmi Party joining us. Syed Zafar Islam is Member of Parliament and spokesperson of the BJP joining us. Sanjay Jha will give us was former spokesperson of the Congress Party, a political analyst, and Raghav Avasthi is a lawyer and a political analyst joining us on this show. But I quickly want to cut across right now to what's happening outside Tihar jail. Shreya Chatterjee joins us. Shreya, have the documents all reached Tihar jail? How quickly does Arvind Kejriwal come out of prison now?
Well, Gaurav, the documents, that is the order, has reached Tihar jail. The primary reason we are seeing that the entire process will be a little faster is because they are not going the route of the trial court. In the order itself, it was clearly written that the bail bond or the security will be given to the jail superintendent, and because of the same reason, the legal team of Arvind Kejriwal along with Sandeep Pathak has already reached inside the premises of the Tihar jail at least 15 to 20 minutes back. So the process has begun. We are expecting that the entire process to finish will take 1.5 hours. So anytime between 6 to 7, we will be seeing Arvind Kejriwal stepping out right in front of this gate, which is gate number 3. You can see security also stepped up over here, barricadings put in place to ensure traffic movement is not halted. And in the meantime, you're also hearing Aam Aadmi Party supporters along with Sunita Kejriwal is also expected to reach Tihar shortly. And this is the very gate from where Arvind Kejriwal will be released anytime between 6 to 7.
Saurabh Bharadwaj had said that Arvind Kejriwal is an excellent communicator. Amit, he said, though this bail is only for 21 days, it's interim bail, but these 21 days are extremely crucial. So does the Aam Aadmi Party already have a strategy in place? How will they harness every hour of these 21 days in Delhi, Punjab, or is it also elsewhere? Amit.
Gaurav, you know, when it comes to Aam Aadmi Party, all of us know that the strategist in command is Arvind Kejriwal and the poll strategist, the slogan expert is Sanjay Singh. Both of them were behind the bars, but in the past 15 days, see as to how things have changed. You know, first Sanjay Singh stepping out of the Tihar jail, boosting the morale of the Aam Aadmi Party workers. And I was here at that very day when Sanjay Singh had reached and, you know, addressed the workers, Aam Aadmi Party workers, and given that slogan which became the clarion call of Aam Aadmi Party, jail ka jawab vote se. Now, the strategist in command, the national convener of Aam Aadmi Party, will be stepping out of Tihar jail. And after that, you know, nobody knows as to what is going to be the next step of Arvind Kejriwal. I'm literally telling you this because the party workers are not sure as to whether Arvind Kejriwal will be reaching here at the national headquarters, whether he'll go to the home or to Hanuman Temple, where he's often seen the Hanuman Temple in CP, the iconic temple of the national capital. So, the moment he steps out, one thing is for sure, that the campaign mode of Arvind Kejriwal will begin from there. And why I'm saying this is the entire focus of Aam Aadmi Party has now shifted to Tihar jail. All the Sankalp Sabhas, the campaigning for the Lok Sabha for today has been put on hold. Every worker has been asked to rally to the Tihar jail, and we are given to understand that the moment Arvind Kejriwal steps out of Tihar jail, you will see a sea of cars out there at Tihar to welcome Arvind Kejriwal, the national convener of Aam Aadmi Party. And at the party office, several of the Karyakartas who had already reached here, the moment they heard about the interim bail, they're excited, they're in celebratory mode. Gaurav.
And the cadre have all been asked to reach, the supporters, the party workers, the cadre, they've all been asked to reach Tihar jail.